Hello there. How are you doing? With a brand new year just about 7 or so weeks away, something I've been thinking about a lot and reflecting on is about my purpose, which is unpacking leadership at the messy middle. If you are a mid to senior level leader or an individual contributor looking for that next role, next challenge in your career, I want to let you in on a little secret. Focus on feeding and growing your whole self, and you'll find yourself being the leader that you want to see. It's that simple. But hey, simple doesn't mean it's always that easy, is it? And that's why I'm here to support you as your personal agility, self-leadership, and change leadership coach. And as we step closer and closer to 2024, I invite you to take a pause with purpose. Reflect on the year that's been. How's everything going? What have you learned? How have you grown? What didn't go according to plan? And how did that affect you? How did you respond, or did you just react? How would you like your 2024 to be? What would you like to change? What would you like to keep? What would you like to stop doing? This is the opportunity that you have as you pause and reflect to take stock of where you've been, where you are, and where you would like to go. Welcome to 2024 My Story, my annual vision setting workshop, something that I've been doing for the last 3 years, where I have this absolute joy of working with a small group of folks who come together and share their accomplishments, their aspirations, their fears, and work through to build a vision board for themselves for the coming year. So what's this workshop all about? How does it really work? Well, once you register, you'll receive some pre-work that includes a little bit of reading, a little bit of reflection, a little bit of exercises that you can do on your own, sort of get ready for the workshop. And then during the workshop, we have 3 main segments, if you will. So looking back, which is the reflection and the retrospection, to see how things have been, what you can pick up from that, and what you would like to bring forward. Look within, which is the introspection, increasing your own self-awareness, your goal, your values, what are your non-negotiables, what drives you, what energizes you, what drains you, just becoming aware of that and bringing it front and center. And then combined with your retrospection and your introspection, that informs your visualization, and that's your looking ahead. And that's where you talk about and you describe what success means to you and what it looks like for you in the coming year. And most of the work during the workshop will be done independently, and then you'll also have opportunities to work in pairs or small groups of up to 3 or 4 people, where you get to share with one another. And it's a great opportunity for you to get a fresh perspective on your thoughts and beliefs and insights, and also a great way for you to build accountability as you work towards realizing everything that you've put forward as your vision for the coming year. So, and once you're done with the workshop, I provide wraparound support for you as you get ready to implement on the vision that you've set for yourself. So, anytime during the month of January of 2024, you can schedule and set up our one-on-one coaching conversation, a 60-minute one-on-one coaching conversation where we can dig deeper into whatever is important to you as you have done the work of building your vision board. So that's it. That's the whole experience. So I invite you to sign up today. So the links are all in the comments and the description section of this video message. You can also scan this QR code right here to register today. It's on Saturday, December 9th. That's the day of the workshop. So as soon as you register, you'll receive all the pre-work so that you can get set up to be successful on the day of the workshop, and then schedule your one-on-one coaching conversation. So that's it. So you're going to walk away with your personalized vision board for 2024, clarity, confidence, and conviction to take action on everything that you've set up for yourself in the vision board, and of course, a great community and ongoing support from the cohort that you attend the workshop with. Remember, you are the most important and the most impactful person you can ever lead. So take the time to invest in yourself and build your vision for 2024. 2024, my story. Look forward to seeing you on December 9th. Take care and be well. Bye for now.